In this video, I will show you how to change clock to 12-hour on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you're going to want to do, if you come down to your bottom right hand corner, this is where you're going to see your current time. So mine's actually set to be in 24 hours. It's currently 11 o'clock in the morning here. But to change this, what you want to do is come over to your search box, and in here you want to type control panel, just like so, and then click onto control panel underneath best match. Now, once your control panel has loaded through, what you need to make sure first is that you come up to the top where it says view by and make sure this is set to category. Then what you want to do is click onto here where it says clock and region, and on the next screen underneath region you want to click here where it says change date, time or number formats. Now what it's going to do is load up a window like this, and the two sections we need to focus on here is the short time and the long time. Now all you need to do to change this, you can see we've got a preview down here as well. So the long time includes the seconds, the short time is just the hours and minutes. Currently it's set to 24 hours, and we can tell this because if we click onto this drop down box, you can see the two H's are set as capital H's. Now to change this to a 12-hour format, what you want to do is come down and select this one with the lowercase h's, so it looks like this. And again, you want to repeat this for the long time. So if it's at the two capital H's, come down and click onto the two lowercase h's to go ahead and change this to a 12-hour format. Once that's done, be sure to click apply and OK to apply your changes. And that's how to change clock to 12 hours on Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.